Hey guys, and welcome back to One Two Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delay audio in OBS. Now let us begin. Denote that I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to delay the audio. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply add an audio source. At the bottom left corner of the Sources tab, you'll see the plus icon right here. From here, what you guys need to do is simply add an audio source. For me, currently it is my microphone, so I'm going to click on Audio, Input Capture. Well, denote that you can simply rename it or add an existing one. I'm going to rename it right now. Once you've done that, simply hit on OK. Likewise, what you need to do is simply select your device for audio input. Click on the drop down button and select the device. I'm going to select my microphone and simply hit on Enter. And guys, as you can see, my audio input device has been added. Now let's simply look at how to delay the audio. Right next to the source in the audio mixer, you can see these three dots. Click on it right now. From here, what you guys need to do is simply go to Advanced Audio Properties. And guys, this is it. This is the page that we are looking for. Right here, as you can see, there are multiple settings. But right now, what you have to focus on is simply Sync Offset. Simply change it from 0 to any second you like. I'm gonna change it right now. And guys, this is it. Now my audio will be delayed by 100 milliseconds. That is it guys. That's how you delay audio in OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.